I need to refrigerate this.
Oh, yeah.
Just over here. Did you get some of the crumble?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is it pretty good?
Very good. I'd offer you a bite, but there's not enough here.
No, here, you scoop me out one.
Oh, you know, strawberry on that.
No, I mean I have, yes. But there's no kids.
So good.
Very good.
Oh God.
Mm.
Hey, hi guys, I'm Amy Roloff in my little kitchen, and guess what? I am going to make a really quick dessert for Zach and Tori and family because they're coming over later, and I hope I can pull this off. So this is going to be a little bit of a strawberry rhubarb cheesecake, no bake cheesecake. Oh wait, no bake cheesecake, strawberry rhubarb parfait. How about that one? Anyway, so I'm gonna use a can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 8 ounces of cream cheese. Oops, I forgot to turn this off like I normally do. I just toasted up some quick oats and some almonds. I am going to add those to this bag. And I'm gonna try and make a really quick granola. So how am I gonna combine this together? I'm not a fan of using butter, but I may use honey, but sweetened condensed milk is sweet, so let's just, I don't know. Let's just give it a try. Let's see what happens. Oh. I guess I added it in too quick because the heat from, you know what, I'm gonna have to get a new bag. Okay guys, I think I've got all my stuff together here. So this crumble, what this crumble really is, I'm basically making a crumble or granola or whatever you wanna call it. I've got shortbread cookies in here. I've got a few graham cracker crumbs. I toasted up some quick oats and some almonds because I just really wanted that crunch and kind of cooked, because I like to cook my nuts usually or saute them. So I have a lot here, probably way too much. This is, but you know, we're making a parfait, so you're layering it. So definitely this is at least 2 cups of granola type of thing. I'm gonna add in a little bit of butter. I didn't exactly want honey because I already got the sweet condensed milk. So I'm gonna take, where's my thing? Oh, I got that wet. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of sugar and just mix that in here. Because these cookies are already sweet. And I have probably about 4, I think there's 8 tablespoons and a half a cup of butter. So I have 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm hoping that this will give enough wetness to kind of keep it all together. Some parts are a little more wet than others. Of course, I probably should have put this in a bigger bowl. But I did not grind up the cookies or anything because I wanted them in just these little itty bitty chunks. I wanted it kind of like granola, but this is a dessert, so basically I kind of made a rough chopped crumble. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do that. Put my sugar over here. I've got 2 8 ounces of room temp. Kind of make it soft so that it's palatable. You can stir it. Or I might even use my, oh yeah, that's right. I got a hand mixer. That'll be a better way to do this. As you can tell, I'm kind of like in a hurry because if you can hear my background, I'm getting ready to film. But I want to get this done before they all come Zachary and Tori and family, because this should sit in the refrigerator at least for an hour. 2's more ideal, but at least an hour. Okay. Okay, brilliant idea I had. I'm going to get my hand mixer. Okay, here I go, guys. I just got done mixing up the cream cheese. The cream cheese and sweetened condensed milk. Now I'm going to whip up a little bit of whipping cream to make whipped cream. And I might add a little bit of powdered sugar, because if not, it's really going to taste kind of plain. So let me get that. So I'm going to incorporate some of the whipped cream in with the condensed milk and cream cheese to kind of lighten it up, but also add a little dollop on our parfait. So I think one hearty teaspoon is enough. So now we're going to just wait till we have some whipped cream. Okay, I just got done making the whipped cream, but I did not want you guys all to hear this the whole time. So I've got the whipped cream done. And you know, I have more whipped cream than I'll need, but heck, strawberries are in season. Strawberries with just a dollop of whipped cream with a little mint. Oh my goodness. Perfect summer fruit snack or dessert. Okay, so here is here's my cream cheese and condensed milk. And you know what? I did forget to add just a little bit of vanilla. So I'm just going to kind of stir this in. Kind of add that nice vanilla warm. And like I said, this should refrigerate at least an hour, if not a couple. And it'll definitely be a couple hours before I serve this. So what I'm going to do is finish preparing this, put the fruit back into the refrigerator and stuff, and then when they come or when I'm ready, I'll be able to prepare it. But you know what? I might have to try one first. Okay. I'm going to take a little bit of this whipped cream, just kind of lighten it up. And see, I'll have enough to dollop on top.
Yeah, it is. I'm gonna go watch whatever this is.
Okay, what's happening? Are we... So I'm folding this in. I'm folding the whipped cream in. Man, it does smell like cheesecake. There's no eggs. Tell you the truth, I don't think I've ever made a no-bake cheesecake before. And if this is that easy, oh, you know those little tarts? Perfect for a really quick, but like a cheesecake, you just need to fill this, make it ahead of time so it sits in the fridge for a little bit. Okay, I think that is about enough. I'm just going to scrape this off. And I think I'm going to be ready to go. Let's see if I can make myself up a little sample. Okay, if you guys want me to do this real quick, I can do it. we are going to mix strawberries in with some of this rhubarb that I cooked down.
Yeah. It plays. I like it. It kind of, I mean, it's kind of disappearing. You have to really look for it over there. Better.
And then we're just going to kind of mash it a little bit. Because these strawberries were farmer market strawberries. They're so ripe, so soft, so juicy, so flavorful. I tell you, you never really know what a strawberry or any fruit tastes like
Yeah. I like it.
until you get it from the farmer's market.
Good. Don't touch that anymore.
And I'm not going to add sugar to this because, like I said, these strawberries
Okay.
are so juicy, so flavorful.
90% there.
All right. Okay, let me do a little bit here. So we're just gonna, like a parfait, we'll just
Got a little.
put a little bit of this crumb mixture on.
Looks like you got light pouring in here. That looks like daylight. I know, me too.
We'll put a little bit of this custard that should be in the refrigerator for a little bit. Then we'll do a little bit of strawberry mixture. And a little more crumble. A little bit more of this. A little bit more strawberries. And then sprinkle on a couple of more. Chris, do you want to try some?
I thought you would never ask.
Okay, here we go. Oh, wait a minute, that's too big of a dollop.
And bring the
Now, I have to go out in my yard and get a thing of mint, but there we go. Strawberry cheesecake parfait, strawberry rhubarb cheesecake parfait. That's a long name. Okay, I'll get you a spoon.
rhubarb with a B.
I'm,
Come back. That's good.
okay, there you go.
No. Just take a picture, push the picture away from you slightly. Nope. Keep going, and stop. And now pull the
I need to refrigerate this.
Oh, yeah.
just wanted to- Did you get some of the crumble?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is it pretty good?
Very good. I'd offer you a bite, but there's not enough here.
No, here, you scoop me out one.
Oh, you know, strawberry on that.
No, I mean I have, yes.
Mm.
But there's some kids.
So good.
Very good.
Oh gosh.
Mm.